Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am discussing CSIR NET problem. This problem is asked in CSIR NET, and this problem also important for other examination, that is KSET and other higher mathematics exams. This is most important. Let P and Q are invertible matrices such that P of Q is equal to minus QP. Then we can conclude that means here given that P and Q are invertible matrices. That means inverse exist. P inverse and Q inverse are exist such that PQ is equal to minus QP. Here we apply the um, concept of similar matrices. We know that if A is similar to B, I am already uploaded about similar matrices deeply, and I am already also solved some few examples asked in CSIR NET and KSET in my previous videos. Please watch that videos also. Similar matrices means A is similar to B, then A is equal to C inverse B into C. This is the similar matrices. If A is similar to B, if A and B are said to be similar matrices, then A is equal to C inverse B C. This is the property. In my previous videos I am also explained about the properties and results of similar matrices. That properties and results are most important to solve many questions of linear algebra, that is eigenvalues and diagonalizability and diagonal forms, like that problems. For solving the like that problems, that concept is most important. Please watch that video also. This is the definition of similar matrices. Then we move on to the problem. They given PQ is equal to minus QP. They given PQ is equal to minus QP. Now left multiplication of P inverse, we get P inverse PQ is equal to minus P inverse QP. P inverse minus QP. P inverse P means I. Q is equal to P inverse minus Q into P. P inverse P is equal to, we return identity matrix. Therefore Q is equal to P inverse minus Q P. According to definition of similar matrices, if A is similar to B, A is equal to C inverse B C. Like this here also, if Q is similar to minus Q, therefore Q is equal to my P inverse minus Q P. Here same property here I applied. Here the same definition here applied. If Q is equal to P inverse minus QP, therefore Q is similar to P means minus Q. This also written like this: Q is equal to minus Q. That means these are same. In the characteristic I am uploaded in my previous year, so about in detailing about similar matrices. Q similar to minus Q, therefore Q is equal to minus Q. We written like this also, means all the properties of Q is holds minus Q also. If that means this what is the meaning of this means what are the eigenvalues of Q is there, same the eigenvalues of minus Q also. Determinant of this Q also same as determinant of minus Q. Okay, therefore we apply the trace of Q is equal to trace of minus Q. We know that in trace in linear form, trace of alpha A plus B is equal to alpha into trace of A plus trace of B. We apply this property here. We apply trace of Q is equal to minus trace of Q. Therefore Therefore trace of q plus trace of q is equal to 0. Therefore 2 trace of q is equal to 0 and trace of q is equal to 0. We get trace of q is equal to 0. Similarly we find the trace of p also. Here trace of q is equal to 0. Here they given trace of q is equal to 0. Okay, then we check pq is equal to minus qp. Now write multiplication of q inverse. Write multiplication of q inverse, that is p q inverse is equal to minus q into p q inverse. This get cancelled, we get p, that is equal to minus of q into p q inverse. By the similar matrices, p is similar to p, therefore p is equal to minus p. We written like this, p is equal to minus p. Therefore trace of p is equal to trace of minus p. Then trace of p is equal to minus trace of p. Therefore trace of p plus trace of p is equal to 0. 2 times of trace of p is equal to 0. Trace of p is equal to 0. We get therefore trace of q is equal to trace of p is equal to 0. This is the required answer. Therefore the correct option is trace of p is equal to trace of q is equal to 0. This is the correct option. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.